Well, I want everybody to know that even experienced RVers make mistakes. When we came home from the Tampa RV show, we wanted to do some laundry. So I came over and I pulled the gray tank valve. So I pulled the gray tank valve just like this. Now, I thought, gosh, that's odd. There was no water that came out of there. So we proceeded to do 4 loads of laundry and take 1 shower. And then I checked my gauges and I said, wait a minute. What the heck? Why is gray 1 full? It shouldn't be full. So I came back outside. I checked. That valve was open. I'm like, oh man, what's going on? I figure I'm gonna have to go inside. Gonna have to cut into the belly and find out why a valve's not opening. And then I got to thinking about the fact that there was no water coming out over here. Then I looked a little bit closer at my valve here and realized that that safety valve I installed to make sure that things don't spill, I had closed it before we left to go to Tampa for 2 days. When I opened the valve, this is what happened. Oh, look at all that water coming out of there. That's exactly what's supposed to happen. So, just to let you know, even experienced RVers can make mistakes. We almost flooded the RV that way. So, lesson learned, check all your valves to make sure that they're open before you do the laundry. Don't just think, oh yeah, I have those open, because normally when we're in a campground, those 2 outer valves are open unless I'm flushing a tank. And I had closed it because we weren't going to be home for a couple of days, just to make sure nothing crawled up from the sewer into the pipes there. So everybody makes mistakes. So hope to see you around a campground. Bye.